We pledge ourselves
to
liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness was said. The whole world in a crisis. Wanna move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets. I do road this a crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main thing the pain and it's tough time. All who they a won't post on the tear and the other face tough time.
That's all it.
Just roll up your bed and a nothing for your giant, them your rough time.
Simple thing to a giant.
Life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness does elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Mama said about the fret, youths now is your intellect. Escape it like a wreck, live life with no regret. The ladder of success will feature. Life prison don't give me the visa. We don't reach jailhouse man a star and clean. And the dirty might have but we clean.
Charge up in and I'm ever ready. One up in the head and 30 in the belly. Them straight and stiff a pack of macaroni. Left the place.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Remember, I be keeping these videos coming, so you want to get the latest information what's going on in Trinidad, Jamaica, St. Vincent on certain things. You don't know the subject I deal with. I deal with gangs, politician, corruption, wicked people. Yeah, I have to draw them out. With that said, I want to talk a little bit about Prezi, because Prezi have been laying low, but Prezi is still fully active. As you all know, Prezi is a major force in the Trinidad reggae movement. He run the 7 so-called record label, and him run the 7 gang, along with couple other don't see it like the youth when name Sunday, whatnot. Now Prezi a war with 6 Dan, and him have a obsession with 6 Dan, and I don't know why, but him really want to kill 6 Dan. We know Prezi is like the Dudus of Trinidad, and he's somewhat like a Donald Trump, kinda like a Donald Trump of Trinidad. He's a mix of different things. Like me say, he use the music thing, I think, for wash out him money on certain things. But I also think that he's genuine when it comes to the dancehall and the reggae, because him are the man where all of the artists them come, and once they come Trinidad, they come seek out Prezi and thing like that. Now, Prezi is trying to friend up certain guys right now as we speak, and I have the intel on that. But before I get into that, you know, say him and Prince SWANY are beef for the longest time, and they finally chase Prince SWANY out of Trinidad. And I think that was a really big shame and disgrace and thing, you understand? But that's another story within itself. Now, I heard through the grapevine, Prezi is trying to friend up and link with some man over there in John. Those of you who is familiar with Trinidad, you know where John is. The rumor floating around is that he's trying to friend them guys over there in John because he want to get at 6 Dan. Now, there is a mix up going on. I want to listen to me and listen to me keenly. Now, trying to friend the man them in John John. But the man them in John John know that Prezi is mixed up in SpongeBob murder. I want you to listen to me now. May I tell you know what's going on. The man them know Prezi is mixed up in SpongeBob murder. So check this out. Now, Beetham get a little bit hot because you remember Rashi? Me do the video upon Rashi, you know. One of Prezi do boy, him pull a gun and one a Spanish son, you know. You remember Spanish is another Dan man down there. And Spanish been keeping a low profile too. Now he pulled a gun on Spanish son and straight gunman come up there and surround Rashi them with machine gun. So because of that, the block is a little bit hot and people stop liming. So people stop liming. Now one of the sevens them get shot over by a place named Savannah, and that shooting they think it's a 6-member do it, but it seems like the 7 they're beefing amongst themselves, and that's what I hear from my intel out there on the ground. So with that said, Prezi is still fully active. Him have him gambling a go on, him have him drugs thing a go on, him have the music thing. Now Prince SWANY gone from Trinidad, so all our Prezi focus upon 6 Dan and the 6 them. You understand? But yo, Prezi is fully active. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And definitely me I stay up on top of this, because one heap of little things start develop down back in a Trinidad when it come to Prezi and the 7 them. And me I go report on that. I'm out.